Hello and welcome to Coach's Corner, a collaboration between Real Coaching and Leaders Edge Coaching. One of the cool things about this relationship is the idea that there is this circle of coaching success. This notion, this idea that a Coldwell banker, no matter where you are in your business, you have an opportunity to be able to get the support, the guidance that you need to be the most successful you possibly can be. It's called the coaching circle. Now, listen, I'm Chris McGatt. I'm with Leaders Edge Coaching, and it's a pleasure to be here right in the middle of your sales meeting, or quite frankly, wherever you happen to be today. At Leaders Edge, we focus on three things. We focus on helping you make more money. We help you focusing on maybe taking back control of your life, taking control of your schedule. And we're also really good at bringing the fun back into the real estate business, helping you find greater satisfaction in your real estate career. Now, I know there are lots of third-party coaching companies. So the question has to be asked, what is it that makes Leaders Edge so different from all of the others? Well, first of all, it starts out with this idea, this notion that we listen to agents, we listen to you, and we then deliver on what it is you need to become the most successful you possibly can be. We also have an amazing 20-year of proven success within Coldwell Banker. We have helped agents solidify their careers, grow production, find more satisfaction in their business. We've got the track record. We also have the most amazing coaches out there. These are coaches with years of real estate experience and a deep knowledge about the business, but most importantly, knowledge about how to help you become successful. And the fourth thing that we do that's very unique is we've taken the time to learn about your tools and your systems. And we've learned how to integrate those into your business to help you get the success you're looking for as efficiently as possible. Now, at Leaders Edge, we focus on three different programs. Yes, there's Leaders Weekly, that amazing pathway to real estate success. But there's also a program called JumpStart Coaching. And there's a program, just the good old-fashioned, traditional, innovative, results-driven one-on-one coaching program. But today, I want to spend a few minutes talking about this innovative concept called JumpStart Coaching. JumpStart Coaching is all about the premise of helping agents quickly break through that one thing that might be holding you back from the success you know you deserve. The idea is really quite simple, and that is we put together a true one-on-one coaching environment where you've got one-on-one coaching experience with a dedicated coach who understands the business, but most importantly, understands that one topic that's holding you back. Again, the JumpStart program is very topic specific, super affordable. It's also short time frame commitment. We call it a short commitment for lasting results. That's the whole idea behind it. So let me kind of walk through, but it happens in a month. You get from the beginning to the end of your coaching relationship happens in just 1 month. Here are some of the topics that we found that have held agents back. First of all, prospecting. For a lot of agents, it's hard to find that prospecting strategy that really works for your personality, that works for your business, that you feel comfortable with. So enter Prospecting JumpStart. It's an idea of being able to work with somebody can help you find that prospecting strategy that really resonates with you, resonates with your business to get you into production quickly. Social media. Listen, we've all got social media presence, but the magic happens when you can convert that social media presence into closed transactions. And that is what Social Media JumpStart is all about. It's a pathway. It's a strategy to help you turn that social media program you have right now into actual results. And it's taught by a coach that really understands that part of the business. Many agents, they've just hit a plateau. It's like, I can't break through this plateau. And that's where Level Up JumpStart comes into play. We take the time to look at your systems, look at your programs, give you some fine-tune, some tweaking to help you begin to generate the success you know you can accomplish. And the fourth thing that we're offering right now is get organized. I think all of us would agree that, quite frankly, being organized in your business is the very cornerstone of real estate success. So we've got great coaches that understand how to help you get organized right now to reap the benefits of having a business driven by systems and programs and organization. Now, popular demand, we've had agents just like you, we've had branch leaders all across the country say, we need more topics. So here's what we're working on right now. We're working on currently a new agent JumpStart program, what we call Leap to Luxury, how to get into the luxury space. We've got a jumpstart we're putting together right now, which is how to structure a team or a partnership, or how do we hire an assistant, or maybe a virtual assistant, or how do I get better at my listing presentation, or how can I focus on my buyer relationships, my buyer presentations, AI, how to bring that into your business. So these are all topics that we're putting together right now. But again, it's one topic, a highly experienced coach to get you the success that you're looking for. Again, you have an introductory call. You've got 2 individual one-on-one coaching sessions. So it's like, quite frankly, taking one-on-one coaching for a test drive, quite frankly, without that long-term commitment or that long-term financial responsibility. The price for Jumpstart coaching is $595. Again, it's an orientation call. It's 2 one-on-one private sessions with a coach, specifically designed to get you through whatever's holding you back right now. Now, for Coldwell Banker, it's $495. You can get all the details by just simply going to CB University. It's all right there. Now, it's best told by the agents that have gone through the program. They've discovered the success. They've broken through what's holding them back, and they're now being able to move forward in their career and reach that level of success they've been looking for. I'm going to kick it back over to your manager for any kind of questions you might have. You're also always welcome to contact us. But most importantly, just go to CB University. All the details are there. We look forward to seeing you in Jumpstart Coaching and breaking through that barrier of whatever is holding you back.